Welcome to China, welcome to GWM, and welcome to your home and our home. Said, who is the GWM? Of course, I think everybody has the answer. GWM is the first letter of the Great Wall Motors. But something is kind of the symbol behind this the company culture. The question like who is the GWM? Where does the GWM originate? So as we review the foundation of our journey and the commitment, we have built a value system that served as the cornerstone of our understanding of the automotive world and our promise to our users. We have defined the GWM core positions as all scenarios, all powertrains, and for all users. Because what we believe that we are facing the different countries and the different customers and the different government policies, infrastructures, right? So that's why we are proposing this all scenarios by customers driving and through the all powertrain. Everybody understand we have the ICE, petrol, we have the diesel, we have the 2.0 turbo, we have the 3.0 turbo charge. Also today we also have the PHEV, HEV, and the BEV. That's the all scenarios, all powertrains. For all of the world, for global users. So we offer the right vehicle for every journey. Our mission is simple. We call the tech to enjoy every journey. Every journey in your life, we care. But the technology we offer to make your journey smoothly, safely, and wonderfully. Our hybrid technology adapted to every road conditions by our GWM vehicles. Our vision goes beyond the innovation. We call the tech with more love, world with more life. So we believe the technology should be warm. Like a human being, we should warm each other. What I said, car is not just a machine. It's more than a machine. So it's the bridge that connects the people to technology. With every drive, you can feel how technology enhances not just your convenience, but make every journey you take become a true pleasure. This is something how we try to deliver the world. This journey is supported by the three core values. We call the true spirit of the integrity and the respect and the true passion for our work and the true integration with the local cultures. We never do something over propaganda. We call them all of our global factories share the same, ensuring the top qualities, whatever produced. We want to make our car reliable. Safety has always been the highest level. That's why I call it go with more safety, because it's not only for yourself, it's also for family. It is really meaningful for GWM brand spirit. Go with more technology, go with more lifestyle, go with more experience, go with more the safety. So that's kind of the things we like to deliver to the world. So this is what we do at the GWM. We act in the consistent way, always across the borders, from anywhere to anywhere.
GWM. Go with more.